Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Now I'm in Dubai, but next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to BENGALURU for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in BENGALURU, contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. What a surprise rally. Last week, Thursday, Nifty closed above 25,180, precisely 25,181. And that time I said, now technically the market is long. And Friday, immediately market shot up. I think shot up about 150 points. But what happened over the week count was the dramatic social media post by Trump saying 100% extra tariff on China. That has dented the sentiment all over the world, and on expected line, we fell on Monday. Monday falling is okay, but Tuesday, that was yesterday, I don't know why Nifty fell more than 250 points from intraday high to intraday low. And finally, Nifty closed below 25,180. So that's why yesterday around the same time, I painted a slightly bearish view because I was a little bit disturbed. Once market is technically long, the Nifty should not fall within the next 1 or 2 trading sessions. But that has actually happened. But what happened yesterday night was a dramatic change in the US market. When we closed here, S&P 500 future was around 1.5% lower. And then after that, there was a dramatic recovery. S&P 500 ended in green. So because of that, we opened nearly 100 point gap up. But then after that, the momentum continued, momentum sustained, and then Nifty took yesterday's high. And not only it took yesterday's high in intraday basis, even on a closing basis also, the Nifty closed higher than yesterday's high. So technically, this is a very, very positive indicator. And finally, the TCS is, finding some kind of a bottom and move 20-25 point higher. And Tech Mahindra was positive after the results. And now the focus will be turning to Infosys results. But however, Infosys has fallen 20 rupees in futures. Futures price is lower than the spot price. So probably the market is expecting about 10 to 15 rupees or even 15 to 20 rupees dividend in the meeting. So overall, the expectation is not very big in Infosys. So therefore, even if the result is bad, so that stock may not fall much, but slightly positive result, Infosys can shoot up. And Infosys is an index heavyweight compared to TCS. So that is only tomorrow evening result, so which will be reflected in the market day after tomorrow. But today, after the market is over, Axis Bank has come out with the results. I think the result is not good. It's missing the estimate and the profit has fallen by 26% or something. But right now I'm checking the global markets. The Axis Bank, the GDR, is trading 0.45% lower. So which means that tomorrow, in all likelihood, Axis Bank is likely to open about 0.5% lower or maybe more, because like today, I don't know how much is higher. So today positive should also be factored in the global market. But however, a caution here, whether it is of a Reliance GDR or Axis Bank GDR, the liquidity is very, very poor. So therefore, that cannot be a good indication for Indian markets. HDFC AMC has declared a very good results and they've declared a bonus also. So, for the last few years, the retail people keep on pumping in the money, SIP money keep on increasing. So definitely these AMCs will do well. So that's what it's being reflected in the results of HDFC AMC. However, next few trading sessions are very important, as I told you in my earlier videos. Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Together, about 1/3 of the Nifty weightage will be declaring the results in the next 2 to 3 days by Saturday. So the next week will be even more interesting. And incidentally, this week, Nifty expiry, will happen on Monday because Tuesday is a holiday. First, Muhurat trading is there, that is in the evening. So therefore, expiry for Nifty is not next Tuesday, next Monday. So one trading session less. And then Monday is going to be Dhamaka because of the 3 results. However, markets are very bullish. Looking at the open interest, even 25,300 put option has been added in huge open interest. So that means people are becoming very, very bullish. And of course, things can change overnight. One social media post by Trump can change the whole thing. But since he posted just few days before, we hope that he doesn't repeat anything in the next few trading sessions. So look at the gold related, people, I told silver is likely to go higher in one of the media channels. And then, one of my friends bought 100 kg of silver. I did not even buy 1 kg of silver. Now, forget about the gold and silver. MCX is the exchange where mostly commodities are traded. So look at the MCX shares. It has shot up nearly 15-20% in just last few trading sessions. And like just 10 days before, I remember it was trading around 8,000. Now it went up to 9,600. So that's about 20% in just few trading sessions. Probably, if I'm not wrong, that will be coming under trading ban from tomorrow. So we have to check the open interest. So now the market is bullish. The technical was correct. But that technical gave a little bit of scare last 2 trading session just because of the Trump social media post. So other than that, technical should work. So now I'm hoping that, at least 26,000 will be tested before the end of December. So of course, there are lots of ifs and buts are there. And so far, the corporate results have not been disappointing actually. TCS result, after the results, market fell, but HCL Technology and Tech Mahindra shares were higher after the results. Now Axis Bank result doesn't seem to be good, but then who knows? ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank may do well. Reliance Industries is a big index heavyweight, so they don't declare any very big positive or very big negative. So they will declare results more or less in line with expectation. So overall, market is bullish. Let us see where the market goes. As I told you, usually October is a bullish month, and especially market makes some kind of a peak around Deepavali. So last 6 months high was 25,650. So let us see next few trading session whether that level is taken out around Deepavali time. So rest of the things we'll discuss tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.